We all get a lot of emails, right? So today I want to show you how to go through and most efficiently tackle that inbox. One of the things that I like to do is to filter out specific emails that and create a rule so that they directly go into a label. So I get a lot of emails from the tech ticket office. So to filter those out so that I don't lose any other emails and so I can tackle tickets all at the same time, I'm going to click this filter up here and I'm going to search who it's from. Then instead of clicking search like I normally would, I'm going to click this create filter. Then I'm going to set up a couple rules. I want these tickets to skip my inbox. I don't want them to show up there because what they do is they hide other important emails because there's so many of them. I'm going to apply a label and I just want to type a new label, tech tickets. Then there's currently 40 matching emails in my inbox already. I'm going to apply this filter as well to those emails and I'm going to click create filter. So now all of these emails are going to be in my tech ticket folder. And if I were to go to my inbox, they're not going to be there anymore. See, they pulled them out and now they're going to be in my tech ticket folder. So if I were to send an email or send a tech ticket in, and I normally would get an email for that, that email is going to go to my tech ticket label. So when I click on my tech ticket label, there they are. So I can most efficiently fish through here. And then the next one that I will send, it won't go into my inbox anymore. It'll go into my tech tickets. You might choose to do this for any number of people. You might have all your emails from your boss get into its own separate folder so that it turns bold when you get a message from them and it stands out. You might do it emails from your team or emails from any specific person that you want to separate out so that they're not getting lost in your emails or clogging up your emails. You're going to want that. You can apply the same filter process too. So I hope that helps you. If you think of a way to organize that or if you would like help going over that, I would love to walk through it with you.